Once again, there's a bloody leak. It's somewhat different this time. It's kind of hard to see unless Bowser shows a flash. Put the flash on. The leak is coming from...
Do you see that edge? The edge, this edge.
Yeah, it's coming from up there.
Gap.
And now it's leaking on the floor. Hopefully the camera picks that up. But that's appalling. I'm gonna try to ask for a room change. 7. We were gonna go to do gun range. We changed our minds because after yesterday's experience with the tides, I don't want to experience it again. I'm kind of sick of Gozo now. I don't want to go back there. Plus, €85 is not cheap.
Yeah, to shoot guns.
To shoot guns is not cheap. I'd rather, because we've done one big excursion, which is scuba diving, which is already £60. No, we've done 2 big excursions. Having 3 is just wasting our bank account. So what we're going to do, we booked somewhere called Popeye Village, where film sets were over there, and it's a beautiful place.
Yeah, I think
and it's in the Malta Island, not in Gozo. We don't want to go back to Gozo. Here's the fit right now. I feel like I haven't gained any, like, actual fat. I feel like due to the walking, I feel pretty good.
Me too.
Bouncy. We had this problem yesterday. Our room is leaking again from the ceiling. The maintenance guy came and it's still leaking our room. 1421.
Can I send someone to check?
Yeah, someone's checked already, but someone checked today.
Today? Did you check already?
Yeah, but
Still coming?
it's still coming, yeah.
Are you heading out right now?
Yeah.
You want to see?
Thank you. Yeah, we have to save a bit of money now.
Yeah, so for our next trip, wherever we do, we'll make the gun range the first thing we do.
Yeah, because think about it, the big thing we did last year was quad biking.
Oh, yeah.
This year was scuba diving.
Yeah.
Let's not do everything all in one holiday.
Yeah.
Keep it active for the rest of it.
Yeah.
So we're going back to that American restaurant. I might be Mr. Greedy and maybe get that big €25 burger.
Bomber class.
Because I love burgers now. Ever since...
Remember the guy from yesterday?
Oh yeah.
After
Bombo. I wish I recorded that. It was so funny. Some guy, yeah. A bus crashed into a Porsche Panamera S. So it was basically a very, very expensive Porsche. And then this definitely not Maltese guy, probably Polish or Eastern European guy. He saw the crash. He was like, Bombo clat! I wish I could. That guy was fucking hilarious, man.
he was either fine or drunk.
Oh, he was definitely one of either. Yeah, he was fucking gone. But yeah, 2 more days of this place, man. It's been really good. It's been the weather.
Oh damn! You can see where the water came yesterday.
Ooh,
right?
Then you're probably right. I think today would have been bad to go to Gozo.
Yeah, I mean it looks like it's calmed down, but still, why take the risk?
Bowling's actually closer. It's down there.
Same place.
We do VR bowling. There's something else. There's ice hockey or something like that you can do. Bro, skate. Bro, it's difficult, isn't it? It's so tough. I went with my sister in Amsterdam roller skating. It's basically the same thing. My God, the balance is unbelievable. It's hard. You have to swerve like this, go like this. When you ice skate or roller skate. Today is good weather. Yesterday's probably the only day where we'll have a bit mid weather. Windy though, I'll tell you that. Me and Bouncy decided to have a nice lay-in yesterday. Bouncy slept for like 8 hours.
I slept for long after. It's like I ate them waves up.
Yeah, I needed a rest. We didn't even go
If it
swimming.
wasn't for the time, I'll be fine. I'll be a bit sleepy. Maybe 1 hour nap and I'm.
Yeah, that boat ride really just left. That boat ride, like I think I felt sick because people were sick around me. I literally saw one Eastern European woman fill up a bag full of vomit. Like it was so disgusting. I saw.
If we were there for longer, I think I would have thrown up.
No,
Like,
you know the vomit taste. Oh my God, the vomit taste is so disgusting, man. Here's the sea right now. It's a bit dirty actually right now. Yeah, look, this is dirtier than the ocean down there.
Bro, can you see that? It's splashed up, bro. Bro, why is it dirt? Maybe because it took all the deposits from the sand.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, I know the ocean down there. It's really, really good. But now We're gonna finally get a nice bite to eat. I barely ate or drank. Not when I say drink, I mean like water. We drank anything after like 6 p.m. because we just didn't have any water, and this hotel's a bit stingy on the water. So I'm gonna have a nice big meal today. We had some fucking donut at like 1 a.m. and a burger at 1 a.m. But that still wasn't satiating enough. So we'll see you at the restaurant. I'm feeling greedy. I'm gonna get the full throttle.
Just tell me about the mains. I'll get you. You want it at the same time?
No, he wants a Hank's combo.
A Hank's combo.
We're gonna do the time lapse again. When we have our food.
It'll be quick for me because I'm having a burger.
Yeah.
This feast is gonna be good. I was looking at that burger 2 days ago, and I'm waiting for that burger to come. As you can see, this is the double burger thing. I thought it was just gonna be a fucking burger, but it came with everything else. Oh, I'm fucked with the apple pie. He got something that I know he can't finish. I know he can't finish
If I
this.
finish it, you're gonna give me €50.
But this, I can devour this easily. Let's go. Darcy is dead. This is how much he finished. And this is how much I have consumed. I actually found this really hard. Like, I could definitely finish the burger. I could definitely finish this. But I'm a fucking idiot. I ordered apple pie as well. So I'm ultra fucking cooked. So I'm gonna still try and finish this. I'm suffering. But I know that we have at least some snacks when we go back to the hotel. Because we'll definitely bring this in a doggy bag. Let's go. This is the last thing off my plate, which is totally consumable. It's just when you eat the same thing over and over again, like the burger, I just don't want to eat anymore. So we just put it to go. And yeah, happy days. This I could definitely finish. So let's go. This was debated my existence. This was by far the toughest meal we had.
Toughest bomber clot meal, bomber clot.
But Bouncy, you ordered a platter for yourself.
I mean, for the price, I thought it would be a platter for one.
Platters are not for one. Platters for multiple people.
I mean, you could have shared the platter with me.
I told you I didn't want a platter.
But everything else is expensive, that's why I got the platter. I'm worth my value.
We're gonna see what the hotel says about the situation with the... Fuck was that about? Situation about the hotel. Whether they give us a room change or anything. Or do absolutely anything to help us get a room that doesn't leak water. Yeah, hopefully we'll find that out soon and I'll let you guys know. About to find a method.
Towel method. Drop the towel.
If we press the corner, we get more water, we're gonna try and get a partial refund. Because bro, it's actually leaking like everywhere now. Well now, we're gonna see how it is after we go to Popeye Village, so we'll see you at Popeye Village. Popeye Village, Bouncy, show them what we got.
Got beach area.
This is what we got. We got free popcorn tickets. Show the ticket.
Course.
We got free popcorn and free postcard tickets. There's tours around like some time of the day, but we're gonna have fun. We're gonna see what this is. This is the view we're getting right now. So this is like when I said Popeye's Village, it actually is the Popeye character. So there's a character called Popeye. As you can see, Popeye all around this little bridge. Beautiful view of the Popeye Village. Here's a nice view of Popeye Village. Oh wow. There's this. Oh, let's take a picture with Boss Man.
Put on your vlog.
Let's see if Boss Man replies to me. This is Popeye. We're gonna wait to see if Popeye backs case with us.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy
mosquito camera, Popeye. Mosquito. Oh, no, I think it's a camera, yes? Welcome to Sweet Haven.
Oh,
Oh, be careful, he will break your
uh-oh.
You told me with this one, what's that this one? A rat, a mouse.
Welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
It's moving! It is moving over there!
I saw it.
There's one on the top!
No, it's just a camera.
Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Where you heading?
Oh, my head as well.
Yeah.
Like this.
No, put your neck in. Your neck in. Your neck in. Your neck in there. In there. Oh my gosh.
How you doing then?
You put it like there. Have you never been to one of these before? Oh no. I'm trapped. Oh no. I'm trapped.
What did the dog do, bro?
I don't know what happened. I'm a trapped brown man in Popeye's village.
You're not the only brown man here, though.
I know there's actually quite a lot of brown people here. But luckily I can just easily get out of this. I'm surprised you've never been to one of these. Let's see you get into it. Bowsy's the farting fucker.
Oh, chill out, bro.
This place is actually quite nice. Got a lot to view. Oh, Bows, put your head in there. There. One of one, you get me? One of one. One of one. Come on.
Don't miss it. Starting in just 5 minutes in the main square of the ring.
What the fuck is this? Wow, this is beautiful. It's like the Blue Lagoon. So currently we're on a barrel with some nice Mirinda. Then we've got the beautiful view next to Popeye Village. Really good sun. I'm glad we didn't go gun range, we went here instead. No, it's fine, it's fine.
Entry zones in the house as well.
No, it's just we can't enter these places, you muppet.
Yeah, these are no entry zones for us.
These are kind of cool though.
Yeah. Look at this. Oh, I wish this played or something. How they'll listen to their music back in the days. Wow, very interesting. Bookshelf. But I think it's time to go and explore the next building. Let's get it.
It's a better filter.
Show the view. Obviously, we can't tour this one because someone's gone fishing by the lake. I think we reached a dead end. No? Wow, take this view in, guys. 100% would recommend Malta as a recommended destination in your lifetime. This is just amazing. I think this is actually a dead end.
It is actually a dead end.
Because where does it go from here? Oh, it's barricaded off.
Is it?
How rude.
How greedy.
How greedy.
Let's go back.